A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss very important topic from chapter number 16, that is defects of vision, their correctness and how we can take care of our eyes. So, let us start with the first topic, that is power of accommodation. See, beta, what is power accommodation? It is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length so as to see the objects located anywhere. It is called the power of accommodation. हमारी eye की what is the capacity to adjust its focal length? That is known as power of accommodation. The minimum distance at which the eye can see objects very clearly without strain is called the near point, and it is about 25 centimeter, and the farthest point up to which the eye can see the objects clearly without strain is called far point, and far point for a normal eye is infinity. Now we are talking about the defects of vision. There are two defects of vision. First one is nearsightedness and second one is farsightedness. Sometimes our eye may gradually lose its power of accommodation. In such conditions, the person cannot be able to see the objects clearly, so he or she feels strain in the eyes. The vision become blurred due to the defects of the eye. Now there are two defects, nearsightedness and farsightedness. Nearsightedness is known as myopia, and in this a person suffering can see nearby objects clear but not see distant objects distinctly, and in this case the image of a distance object is formed in front of retina. बेटा इस केस में क्या होगा, सी हेयर, जो इमेज है दिस इज द इमेज, जो इमेज रेटिना पे बननी चाहिए वो रेटिना से पहले ही बन जाएगी. सो मुझे इस इमेज को रेटिना पर बनाने के लिए इसके आगे कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर मैंने कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज़ किया है. आफ्टर दैट ये जो इमेज है ये कहाँ बनेगी, रेटिना पर. सो दिस इज मायोपिया. इट इज ऑपोजिट इन केस ऑफ हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. In case of hypermetropia, a person can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects. तो इस केस में जो इमेज है इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड बियॉन्ड रेटिना, ये रेटिना से बाद बन रही है, तो मुझे इसको एग्जैक्टली रेटिना पर बनाना है. सो in front I will use convex lens, that will be converging lens. So this is about hypermetropia. These are the two defects that you have to take care. Now we are moving on to the next defect, that is there is one more defect, that is cataract. It is also defect. It is a leading cause of blindness among the adults, and it occurs at the age of 45 years or older. The eye lens becomes cloudy or hazy, means it is forming blurred, and because of this light cannot pass easily through the lens to focus on retina. As a result, things look foggy or cloudy. People with cloudy eye lens are said to have cataract. Now we are moving to the next part, that is care of our eyes. How we can take care of our eyes. Always sit straight while reading or writing. Do not read while lying down. It strains the eyes. Always read at a normal distance for vision, and do not bring the book too close to your eyes or keep it too far. Do not read in a dim light or a very bright light. Do not watch television or read for a long time. Do not rub your eyes with dirty hands or dirty clothes, and wash your eyes frequently with clean water. When you feel strain in your eyes, get your eyesight checkup, and lack of vitamin A in diet is responsible for a series of eye problems which eventually lead to blindness. In the beginning, the patient is unable to see properly at a night or a dim light, and this condition is known as night blindness. One should therefore include vitamin A in the diet. Food rich in vitamin A includes leafy vegetables like spinach, red carrots, broccoli, and cod liver oil. Eggs, milk, curd, cheese, butter, and fruits such as papaya and mango are also rich in vitamin A. Now we will see visually challenged people. Visually challenged means जिनको दिखाई नहीं देता. The people who cannot see are called visually challenged. There are two type of blindness. One is curable and another one is incurable. See beta, in case of curable blindness, either the cornea or the eye lens becomes opaque due to some disease or defects. If the crystalline lens becomes opaque, it is removed surgically and replaced by an artificial lens. If the cornea becomes opaque, it is removed surgically and in its place, a healthy donated cornea from the eye of a donor is grafted. Incurable blindness means the complete and total loss of vision by birth or later in life due to several diseases that cannot be cured. Now there are some technological aids जो लोग प्रॉपरली देख नहीं सकते या विजुअली चैलेंज्ड हैं उनके लिए कुछ एड्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज ब्रेली सिस्टम. दिस सिस्टम अलाउज द विजुअली चैलेंज्ड पीपल टू सी properly, to read, to visually challenged people can read books printed in braille. Braille is a system of representing characters by raised dots, and combination of raised dots in a 6-dot cell make up different characters. Braille, who has lost his sight when he was a child, book and periodic tables are available in Braille for the visually challenged. Now we can also use white cane. The blind people use the white cane with the red tip to improve mobility. Means if they have to move from one place to another, they use this cane to detect obstacles on the way while walking. With this cane, they travel safely, confidently, and independently at home in the community. We also have talking devices for visually challenged people. They can use talking equipments such as talking thermometers, talking watches, talking clocks, calculators, and talking compasses. Computers also, personalized computers are available nowadays, and several software like Oralux and Adrian-Nopix are developed specially for the visually challenged so that they can access information available on the internet. And also they can use radio reading services. There are over 100 radio reading services throughout the world that provide the visually challenged people with readings from periodicals over the radio. So this is all about the topic that tells us about the defects of vision, power of accommodation, care of eyes, and visually challenged people. So you need to read this topic carefully. Thank you.